Dear students, welcome to our maths program maths.lk. Today we are going to learn about application of trigonometric ratio. Let's see few examples. Students, let's see to find the trigonometric ratio by using the given ratio. If sin x equal 3/5, find the ratio of the cos x and tan x ratio. Firstly, you draw right angle triangle. This angle represents x. You can mark here or up. When you take angle mentioned here x, considering given x angle, you already know about name of this side, opposite side. Using right angle, this side is labeled hypotenuse. Third side, adjacent. Given data is angle of sin x 3/5. Now you think about definition of the sine. Did you remember we studied previous lesson? Sine ratio, opposite side over hypotenuse. Now 3 represent as opposite side. 5 is hypotenuse length. Now you mark 3 opposite, 5 hypotenuse. Our remaining side is adjacent. You know that if you know the 3 sides of the right angle triangle, how to get other side? Using Pythagoras theorem, adjacent side labeled as A. 5 squared equal 3 squared plus A squared. 5 squared value 25, 3 squared 9 plus A squared. We'll go to the other side. 25 minus 9 equal A squared. 16 A squared. If you remove the power 2, you take both sides square root. Now A value is 4. This value is 4. Now in question asks ratio of the cos x and tan x. Cos x ratio equal, according to the given definition, adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent value is 4 over hypotenuse 5. Second question, ratio of the tan x. Using definition of the tan, opposite over adjacent. Opposite 3, adjacent 4. Now look another example. If tan x equal 1, find the ratio of the cos x and sin x. First of all, you draw the right angle triangle. In this figure, I mark angle up vertex. Considering this angle, opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Tan x equal 1. You know that every whole number denominator we can take as 1. According to the definition of the tan, equal opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 1. Adjacent also 1. Now, similar to example, we should find length of hypotenuse. I take length as a. Using the Pythagoras theorem, a squared equal 1 squared a squared equal 1 1. A squared equal 2. Now you take square root both sides. Now a equal root 2. We are not going to take exactly value of root 2. We take hypotenuse as length root 2. Now definition of the cos. Now we can easy to find. Cos ratio equal adjacent hypotenuse. Adjacent represent 1 and hypotenuse root 2. Similarly, angle of sine equal opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite also 1, hypotenuse root 2. Dear students, when you notice this right angle triangle, two sides are equal. Therefore, this angle and this angle are equal. One angle is 90 degrees, then x should be 90 divided by 2. Then you can get x value is 45. Using this x as a 45, you can think cos 45 angle represent 1 over root 2 and sine 45 1 over root 2 and tan 45 equal 1. Students, our next part is trigonometric ratio of the sum special angle. We only discuss about 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees about main trigonometric ratios. 30, 45, 60. Above example, I taught you values of 45 degrees of sine, cos and tan. These are the values. Similarly, sine 30 value represent 1 over 2 and cos root 3 over 2 and tan 1 over 3. Using these values, we can get value of trigonometric expression. Let's see some of example. Find the values of the following expression. Sin 30 plus cos 60. Using this table, you know that sin 30 represent value half plus cos 60 represent value is also half. Then answer is 1. Half plus half, 1. Second one, sin 30, this term in between is multiplication. Sin 30 represent half into cos 60 half plus cos 30 root 3 over 2 into sin 60 root 3 over 2. Before getting this calculation, I show to you some calculation. Root 3 into root 3, you multiply these two, root 9, then answer is 3. Root 2 into root 3, answer 2 into 3 is 6, but we can't get the exactly value. You should remain as a root 6. Root 2 plus root 2, this simplification like x plus x 2x, like that, root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2. Root 2 plus 1, we can't simplify any further because not the same term. Then answer root 2 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1. Similarly, answer root 3 minus 1. Using this calculation, you can find the values of this expression. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. Plus root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. Simple fractions. To add, denominators are equal, then you can easy to add the numerator. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. Third one, cos 45, cos 60, sin 45, sin 60. Cos 45, 1 over root 2, cos 60 half, minus 1 over root 2 into sin 60 root 3 over 2. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, minus 1 into root 3, 2 root 2, 2 root 2. You can see denominators are same. Then you can easy to simplify numerator. 1 minus root 3, 2 root 2. Students, today you have learned about application of trigonometric ratio. If you need further information, you visit our website maths.lk.